Most people get crypto staking wrong by thinking it's complicated, but Everstake makes it surprisingly easy. Today, I'll share my usage experience so you know exactly what to expect before committing your crypto. Everstake is a staking-as-a-service platform that allows users to earn rewards by locking up supported cryptocurrencies. Unlike mining, staking doesn't require expensive equipment or constant monitoring. Most people get this wrong by assuming they need deep technical knowledge, but Everstake handles everything from validator setup to reward distribution. I tested Everstake with Ethereum and Polkadot. The platform shows projected annual yields, staking fees, and minimum amounts. I started small, just a few $100s, and rewards started accumulating almost immediately. The interface is clean and provides detailed analytics, including earn rewards, validator performance, and staking history. Security is a priority. Everstake operates with robust validator nodes and never takes custody of your funds. You maintain full control through your wallet. Most people get this wrong by worrying that staking exposes funds to theft, but Everstake's model mitigates that risk. Fees are transparent, usually a small percentage of the staking rewards. While this slightly reduces your earnings, the convenience and security make it worthwhile. Most people get this wrong by comparing gross yields without accounting for fees. They may overestimate potential profits. In conclusion, Everstake is a user-friendly and secure way to stake crypto and earn passive income. Most people get this wrong by overcomplicating staking, but with the right platform, it's accessible and rewarding. If you want to start staking without dealing with technical setup, Everstake is a solid choice. Subscribe for more honest crypto platform reviews and practical guides for maximizing your digital assets.